So Krishna has nothing to gain in the department of Aishvarya. But in the department of Madhurya, he's a beggar. He becomes a beggar. Gaura Govinda Maharaj told that nice pastime from the Puranas about Prem Bhikari, that Krishna became a sannyasi. Krishna took sannyas in Vrindavan. Krishna became a sannyasi, which was foreshadowing his Gaur Leela. And he took sannyas and he came to Nikunj. He went to Nidhiban. He said, "Oh, Radharani, oh my Priyatam, oh Priyaji, please, I'm a beggar. I'm begging." "Oh, Yogi Raj, what do you want?" He said, "Oh, I don't need anything. I'm a Kinchana Gochara. I'm a Kinchana. You see, I just have a water pot and I don't need anything in this world. I don't want anything in this world. I'm Atmaram and Aptakam. But the thing is, there's one thing I want." Yes, whatever you want. I'm the daughter of Vrishabhanu and Kirtima. I can give you anything, cows, gold, whatever you want, a palace, whatever you want. "No, see, Priyaji, there's only one thing I want. I want your love. I want your prema." So Prema Bhikari. So this is Krishna. He's Prema Bhikari. He's begging for prema. So he comes here, although he's already perfect, that he wants to gain. He wants more love. That is the nature of love. It's never be perfect. The more love one has, the more one longs for love. That is the nature of love. It's dynamic nature. Krishna has limitless hunger for love. He distributes bhakti. Krishna distributes bhakti in Krishna Leela and especially in Gaur Leela. So more persons can love him and be loved by him. The love of Krishna's devotees gives great charm and pleasure to Krishna. Krishna's devotees love him in such a way that he becomes amazed by it. He becomes bewildered by the love of his devotees. He becomes so attracted and enthralled and overwhelmed by the love of his devotees that he thinks, "I don't understand it. How do they feel? What love do they feel when they love me? What ecstasy do they feel by serving me? What is driving them and causing them to serve like this? I must become a devotee myself. I must also become a devotee." So then, Krishna enters the heart of Radharani, and he comes out as Gauranga Mahaprabhu to taste bhakti prem and distribute bhakti prem, the prem of a devotee.